I think Tesla has accepted Alameda County's deal for Fremont factory opening and timeline. And friends, this video, exclusive video that one of you sent us today, shows that acceptance. There was no official word from Tesla about its attitude on face-saving deal that Alameda County sent to Tesla regarding the factory opening. But the video of Fremont's plant parking lot Wednesday gives an idea that Tesla and Elon Musk comply and accept the reopening deal. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. As you're seeing this video sent by one of our friends with a YouTube name, Make World Better. Thank you very much, my friend Tim, who sent this to us. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also join our community. And let's get started. So Tesla Fremont parking lot was full on Monday as the electric car maker reopened its main plant in Fremont, California, defying the orders of the Alameda County Health Department. But there were lots of employee cars as well as hundreds of new cars in the new car parking lot from where Tesla ships its newly made Model 3, Model Y, and other electric vehicles. Monday evening, Alameda Health Department reiterated its stance against Tesla to stop production, and after some communications with the electric vehicle makers, leadership offered Tesla a deal. Here is that deal. But Tesla can continue basic operations and augment the basic operations toward full opening until next Monday. But we didn't know if Tesla accepted that deal since there was no official announcement from Tesla today, neither from Elon Musk nor Tesla. However, today, one of our Torque News YouTube friends, Tim from Make World Better channel, sent us this exclusive video from Tesla's Fremont parking lot, which clearly shows that Tesla accepted Alameda County's reopening timeline. How we know? Our friend Tim, who took this video, looked at the 4 entrances of Tesla's Fremont parking lot and observed the following. He says the employee parking lot was nearly full today. He even saw their shuttle bus running, but when he looked at the new car parking lot, it seemed empty. Tim says only a few dozen new cars were in the new parking lot compared to hundreds of new Tesla cars he saw on Monday, and we reported also on our channel. So what does this mean? To me, it seems that Tesla wants a peaceful solution to this conflict and has quietly agreed Alameda's deal. Alameda allowed Tesla to, quote, begin to augment their minimum business operation this week in preparation for possible reopening as soon as next week, end of the quote. I think Tesla is augmenting by making car parts only, not new cars, but only car parts or something else. This is why last Monday we saw hundreds of new Tesla cars ready to be shipped to Tesla's car buyers, while today there were only a dozen or so. As a result, no one can blame Tesla for not complying with the county's health department, and Tesla can prepare for full opening next Monday while augmenting its part production. I'm glad Elon Musk and the Alameda Health Department agreed on this deal, which allowed both parties to save face under public pressure. Hopefully next week, all car factories in the United States will reopen their factories and people will get back to work. Elon presented himself as a reasonable corporate leader, in my opinion. I hope California will manage to keep Tesla in the state, which is better both for the economy and employment. But Texas Governor Greg Abbott yesterday said Elon Musk is genuinely interested in Texas and genuinely frustrated with California. After talking to each other, they are going to, quote, wait and see how things play out, end of the quote, regarding Tesla's potential move from California to Texas. Well, friends, now let's listen to our friend Tim, who is going to explain as he was taking this video. I'm going to turn on the voice loud so you can see. But in the meantime, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, show your appreciation of Tim's work, and I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day. And if you would like to send us an applause, we would greatly appreciate it. The button is found next to the like button if you're watching this video on a desktop. See you soon, and now let's listen to Tim.
I'm outside of Tesla Park parking lot. See, it's still full. They park all the way from the factory to the edge. Everything, everyone. I think this parking lot is a full parking lot. No doubt about that. But I don't think they are making as many cars as yesterday. See, the new car parking lot is almost empty. I don't know. It's empty. I don't think they are making as many cars as today. But the traffic instructor conductor is still there. Just few trailers to pick up cars. See, a lot of empty spaces. Don't know what happened.